Hi, in this video we're going to terminate a Cat6 wire using RG45 connectors. Here we separate the wires within the Cat6 wire and arrange them in an order, a color coded order, which is white, orange, orange, white, blue, green, white, green, blue, white, brown, brown. Once we've gotten this arrangement done, we straighten them, yes, to be of equal length, and we use a clipper to clip them to meet the same size. Once done with this, we take our RJ45 connector and pushing it in the video. Then we use our bigger clipper to snap it, or let me see, just rearrange it to fit the latter ends of the connector. We do the same for the other side of the wire using another RJ45 connector, arranging the other sides of the internal wires too. Then we test it. For the testing part, we're taking two laptops, and yeah, we inserted our cable in each of the laptops, created a folder within one laptop, of which we created two separate files. The names are there, separate files, and we shared it from that PC to the other PC. So as you can see, the info on the first PC can be accessed on the second PC. Yes. And this is how we terminated the wire and then enabled the connection to enable smooth connection between both devices. My name is Faustine Fuefi, index number 1703840910. A student, a computer network student in Group D. Thank you.